In this video, I'll show you how to add products to Shopify. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard at Shopify. Once you're inside, go to the left-hand menu and click on Products. Then click Add Product to create a new listing. Next, enter your product title and write a clear product description. Make sure the description explains what you're selling, including key features, benefits, and important details your customers need to know. After that, add product media. Click Upload Images or Add Media and upload high-quality photos or videos of your product. This is important because customers rely on visuals to make buying decisions. Now set your pricing. Enter the regular price and, if needed, a compare at price to show discounts. You can also add cost per item if you want to track profit margins inside Shopify. Next, configure inventory settings. Enter the SKU if you use one and set the stock quantity. You can also choose whether Shopify tracks inventory automatically or not. After that, add shipping details. Enable shipping if the product is physical and enter the weight and shipping requirements so Shopify can calculate shipping rates correctly. Now organize your product by adding it to a collection and setting product tags. This helps customers find your product more easily in your store. Finally, review everything and click Save. Your product will now appear in your Shopify store and be available for customers to buy. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add products to Shopify. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.